Hey everyone, Taps here with Comfort One Air Conditioning. If you're watching this video, chances are your air conditioning is not cooling right now. Here in Phoenix, it's not only an inconvenience, it's downright miserable. For over the last 15 years, I've been working in the air conditioning industry here in the Valley, and I've come across about every cooling problem imaginable. Today I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons your AC isn't cooling. I will also give you some ideas of things you can check yourself before it's time to call the professionals in. Let's get your home comfortable again. First off, let's check the easy stuff right now. I know this sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how often the issue is right here. Let's go to your thermostat. Make sure it's set to cool and not heat or fan only. Check that your temperature is lower than the actual current room temperature. Another thing, if you have a programmable thermostat, let's make sure that someone didn't accidentally change that schedule. These are a few problems that we find on our initial walkthrough looking at the thermostat to start. Next up is your air filter. This is probably the number one cause of AC problems I see. Dirty filters restrict airflow, which makes your system work harder and cool less efficiently. Okay, let's pull that filter out, hold it up to light. If you can't see light through it, let's replace it. Or if it is completely filled up with dust and debris, it's time to replace that. As a general rule here in Arizona, you change your filters every 30 to 60 days. Our dust and heat are no joke. Last simple check for you here. Let's go to your circuit panel. Let's find the one that's labeled for your AC. Let's hope it's labeled. Make sure that it hasn't flipped or tripped. Let's flip it all the way off and then flip it back on. If it continues to trip, don't keep resetting it. It's time to call us. There's a bigger issue at hand. All right, if those simple checks didn't solve anything, let's talk about common problems that needs professional attention. Dirty condenser coils. Your outdoor coil releases the heat from the Freon that cools your home. When these get covered in dust and debris, they can't release the heat properly and it causes your system to struggle when cooling. Your outdoor system may be running, but not to the efficiency because it cannot release that heat. Well, you can spray it down with a garden hose. A professional cleaning will get much deeper and ensure that the system runs efficiently. Refrigerant leaks. Here's something to understand. Your AC doesn't use up refrigerant like gas in a car. If you're low on refrigerant, you have a leak. This is an issue. It is a sealed system. Signs of refrigerant leaks include ice buildup on your refrigerant lines, hissing noises near your indoor system or your outdoor. Your AC is running constantly and not cooling your home down. This is definitely a job for the professionals. Refrigerant is regulated and requires special equipment and certifications. Another thing, frozen evaporative coils. If you open up your AC unit and you see ice on the inside coil, this is a big issue. This is usually caused from restricted airflow. Sometimes that dirty filter we talked about before can cause this. Low refrigerant levels, restricted metering devices, blower motors not working properly. There is lots of variabilities that come into play when you have this issue. Turn off your system, let it thaw completely. Sometimes this takes several hours. Call the professionals. We'll get out there and find that problem and fix it for you.